welcome back home. This is home. This is where the heart is. Thank you so much for coming back home. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for choosing to be part of this family. And to my family members, guys, welcome back home. We are back once more again on the very last Sunday of the year. We still bless God that we were able to witness this day that the Lord has made, that we may rejoice and be glad in it. Pinky on this Sunday, you know what I mean? And I'm from church, guys, as per usual. And I thank God that you are here right now watching this, ready to hear what God has got to say. You know what I mean? But before we get into the word of today, before we get into something good, something nice that God has in store for all of us, listen, subscribe. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to also comment. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. On Instagram, I am Pamela R_. And on Facebook, Pamela Khatebe. And I also have a Facebook page, Netferdading. I've been forgetting to mention this, but bless God that I now remembered, you know. And yes, guys, otherwise, stay tuned. Go take your notebook. Tell your family members to come and join you while you watch this, because they might benefit from it, you know. Maybe this is something they really needed to hear, who knows. So otherwise, God bless you guys. I'll be back in a minute, in a few. We are back, and today we just want to talk about being molded by God. Because let me tell you this, Bazalan, whether you like it or not, we are the clay in the potter's hands. So sometimes mudimune mold, and one thing about God is that when he molds you, you will feel it. Ota filo no one papata, no one dika wa roll, no one shape, no one cut. You will feel every molding part of the process. Hamudimu au mold. Do you understand? Like, there is no way that God is going to mold you and you won't feel it. You will feel it. Kora ha a ubruna. You will feel it. How shaula utlo feel jwang kapa jwang Jehovah. And as you're in whole process, it be more painful and more uncomfortable is when we start doing things our own way. Mudimu hare Pamela watsaking give it how to sing utlole this thing of yours ya o kene WhatsApp before o rapela o leboa ne. When up, kana kon modimo molda pele a o jetsa ne a o jetsa go itse keng ha ke batle go penis ere go fe the easy way to work this thing out. When up o feel no man, you know, because what's a juicy, right? And you choose your own way of doing things. How can I WhatsApp bao jetse bomb, and you're gonna feel the pain. You are going. One thing about God is o tla utlwa ka letlalo ha o sa batle mamela, o tla o jetsa ntho pele, mara ha o kgetha o ba stubborn o tla utlwa ka letlalo, o tla phesha ka la ga mafatshe. And I'm talking from experience. So being molded by God, stubbornness sa rona ne sometimes se re pheshisa ka lerama. So bazalana, let us stop this thing. Let us try to pray about it. Hore Modimo itse ha o bue, teach me how to be obedient, you know, because we peshakala rama ha monate. All right. Another thing is, yesterday I was talking about this on my Facebook. You have to go through what you're going through right now. And you're being molded by God. And when God molds you, he's going to use different things to mold you, to make you what he wants you to be, right? So if you experience a loss, you had to go through loss because he's molding you. He's trying to get you where he know that you need to be. You understand? Sometimes I know feel No man, God, I need Toyota Picanto. Khanti modimo o moldela Mercedes-Benz. Do you get what I mean? And for him to get you to thinking like a Mercedes-Benz owner and seeing yourself really driving this Mercedes-Benz and getting out of mentality at Toyota Picanto, it's gonna take a lot of molding. Do you understand? Because he knows the plans he has for us, and they're to prosper us and not to harm us. They're to give us the expected end or the expected future, right? And for you to have all of that, to experience all of that, because no, this is the right thing to use for this person to get to where I want him to be. Do you understand? If no general golden in a choice in it like is ya etswa ka ga mollo chisang hakalo, but because modimo wa tseba mollo ha o le modimo, although o chisa ha bohloko, mara motho ona o tlotswa ka mona ile gold ena le boleng bo makatsang. You understand? If ho no na le tsela e nngwe to work around this thing, obviously ho no tla etswa jalo, but because modimo wa tseba the best way to get you to your best version, like the best version of yourself, is for you to go through this crazy heat. Do you understand? So you have to go through what you're going through right now. It's not a mistake, mate. Mate, it is not a mistake. Babes, pause. You have to go through it. But when you're going through what you're going through, you have to ask for the wisdom of God. Ask God to teach you his ways so that you don't miss. You understand? You don't get to be the reject. But because yena hola foso le hanyane ya reject you, so re batla ho rapela ntho ho modimo. Wow. Re batla ho rapela ntho ho modimo during the process. Re thusa ho feta processing engwe le engwe ka o phethahala hore se ke re ithola re le di reject ka lebaka la diphoso tse nyane. Ho fela phoso e bete mo ya rejectwa product. You understand? Even though sometimes rasa di boni di phoso, so mara wa ntho e rejectwe because ntse e tshwanela leng motho a etsa ngwa tseba yena go entse phoso kae. You understand? So let us not miss the opportunity ya go modimo a re molde ka o phethahala hobane a tseba hore ha re phethahetse we can be the best version of ourselves. Lo no tla imakala kganthi motswala o je mogwa, you know. And bazalwane, sometimes when God is molding you, he will allow you to almost lose your mind. Be fixed. He will allow you to almost lose your mind for your mind to be fixed and be renewed. Sometimes o tlekena ka ga maemo a o hlantse a o kopanye kelelo, and modimo a o tlohela no man ke batla hore a kelelo ha e be renewed. Ke batla motho ena hore I experienced the renewing of the mind. You will lose it at some point. O tla feel hore no, this is too much. O kwe ka go hlanya. And modimo a itlwele hore e etsahale ntho because a batla hore kelelo ya hao e nahane jwalo ka ha yena nahana. He wants us to think like him, to do things like he does things. Do you understand? Because what's the point of being a child of God and not do what a child of God is supposed to be doing? Do you understand? Like and if osaye dintho ka tsela o yena di etsang ka teng, then ha re understand taba go ipitsa ngwana modimo phila life e yang left yena ya right. Wa understand bazalwane? So sometimes he's gonna let you to almost lose your mind to have your mind fixed and renewed. Another thing about God is sometimes o tla tlolla maemo a ye lolololo. He will let situations go for longer because a batla ho lukisa. Either a batla ho lukisa character ya hao, either batla ho lukisa tsela wena o bonang dintho ka teng, either batla ho lukisa the way wena o approach maemo ka teng, either batla ho lukisa the way wena o solvang ex ya hao ka teng. He will allow them to go longer. When he molds you, he will allow the things that are irritating you to last longer because a tseba go no mate nka se tlose mothino ka hara stofo se chisang ile gold ke soka ke kgotsofala ke soka ke bona hore somebody nnete motho eno o ready ho tswa, o ready ho lo emela lefatshe, o ready hore a withstand the rust and everything. Do you understand? Ho fitlela modimo a kgotsofala hore na o motho a right na, he will allow them to go for long. So when you are obedient, bazalwane, some of the things won't necessarily have to take long for them to be fine. Dintho tse ding di ba telele, di nka nako e telele ho solve, because why? Re batla thato ya rona ka hara thato ya modimo, and that can never work because one must die. Do you understand? Hona le nngwe tshwantseng e win between you and God, and because God is all powerful and all what o tlo jua dikareteng, and you have to let go and let God. Do you understand? And because he knows what you need, he knows what needs to be done and when it's supposed to be done and how it's supposed to be done. He knows all of that. He knows. Yegela iboza yenze into eyaziyo the best way he knows how to do it. Why ke try wazulu ha ke tse bazalwane? Yes. Yeah. God will allow things to go longer sometimes. Because at about udila le bana ba hae ba stubborn, and for them to get to where he wants them to be, he will have to extend time. Ya mathata. A tlwele mathata a go re sebetsane le motheno. Motheno go re sebetsane le yena. Ha se ke qetile ka yena, ke tla o jwetsa go mtlwele neng. So sometimes some of the things are necessary. Ke rona re ipakelang delay, you know, because we're stubborn. So and sometimes another thing is when God is molding us, right? Rona re tla be re rapela hore modimo a fixe boemo. Khantini ni modimo ha ba tlo fixa boemo, ba tla o fixa wena for boemo. So that next time ha botla o skabo o so o ntso o rapela hore boemo bo tsamaye, o tsebe hore na kana ke fuwe matla ha dikela dinwa le diphepeng lo hlola matla o hlasea, kana I am more than a conqueror. Go modimo kana kolo o sa o rutile hore o tshwantse o bue jang, tshwantse o nahane jang, tshwantse o confess jang, o tshwantse o act jang, right? So sometimes the God that we serve will work you out instead of working these things out. Because it's still gonna come back, but I need to fix this person so that when this thing comes back, solve bothata jwang. Do you understand? Like Jesus hapile ha ne sefefo se hlaha ana le bana ba hae ka skepeng o la khalmela sefefo. But the second time this thing happened, ha khalmela sefefo o bua le batho bana ka tumelo ya bone e nyane. You understand? And ha tsetilo kena ka ga skep sefefo sona sefefo sa thula. Because why? Sometimes modimo o tshwantse a re rute hore na ha re bona sefefo re ske ra panika and remember what he did to solve the problem and do exactly that. Do you understand? Like sometimes ha o hloke moruti wa hao bazalwane, sometimes moruti o tlo go ruta hore this is what you do. But next time when he's not there, you must remember, kana we say, how so, this is what I'm supposed to do. Do you understand? Because we cannot be dependent on people all the time. Some of the things, bazalwane, we have to learn them. We know how to do them on our own. Let us have a teachable spirit. Do you understand? Let us have a teachable spirit. Hore, re tsebe, jwalo ka bana ba modimo re fuwe matla. And le ha wa fu ha wa sebedisetse, because modimo no wa makalo, ma motho ke mjetse re ke mneile matla, but they still coming to me to say, God, wa tseba sefefo ke so sehlele ma go jwetsa, but last time ko bontshitse hore how do we solve this X? Mate, some of the things are so unnecessary. They are so unnecessary. Oh, Jesus, okay. How can you dumela wa jwetsa thabena hore tloe e tla itiela ka ga lewatla? Do you understand? When you still come back to God and say, kana God bazalwane thing jo. Okay, fine. One last thing is that sometimes God is gonna allow things to happen to you as a reminder that He's God. You know, because sometimes we forget Sometimes life gets to be so lit that you forget that every good thing comes from God. So God, sometimes when he's molding you, he will allow things to happen. He will allow you to go through the fire and water, because he's the savior. All these time when you were surviving the storm and everything, it was because of him, not because of your own knowledge, not because you knew how to swim, not because firefighters. You understand? Like, sometimes he's gonna allow how try out to reach out to the firefighter, but it says already full, because listen, I'm the savior here. Do you understand? I am the savior. So some of the things that God allows to happen in your life, he allows them to just be a reminder to you that I'm still God. Mate, don't you ever get to forget, I am still God, and every good thing that you have comes from me as God. Do you understand? So, Pastor, thank you so much. I would go on and stay blessed, and I love you so much, and happy Sunday, and ha re ske ra tloang mohaung wa Modimo, ha re ske ra tloang leratong la Modimo, ha re ske ra etsa hore dintho tsa lefatshe di re tlose mohaung wa Kriste. Because bazalwane, sebe sona se monate mara for nakonyana. Ditholwana tsa teng ke lefu, buka ya dipofo be a itjho jwalo. So let us not be fooled. Let us instead choose wisdom and be wise. Re phele thatong ya Modimo, and re tla una bophelo bo sa feleng. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, and stay blessed. God bless you until we meet again next week Friday. Bye.